Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 awesome life-changing beauty hacks with castor oil. Castor oil is an elixir for beautiful face, body and hair. It's a wonderful moisturizer, extremely rich in minerals, vitamins and essential fatty acids. So let's find out the 6 life-changing castor oil beauty hacks to make your skin look and feel beautiful. So first I'm going to show you how to use castor oil as a deep facial cleanser. Castor oil is an amazing cleansing agent, pulls out all sorts of toxins from the skin without disturbing the pH balance. So to use it as a deep facial cleanser, pour a generous amount of oil on your palm, rub the oil to warm it up, gently massage it into your face, leave the oil on and boil some water. Soak the washcloth in hot water. Now gently wipe away the oil on your face using the washcloth. Cleanses your skin, removes dirt, bacteria, dead skin cells, excess oil while keeping your skin soft, supple and healthy. So to make your eyebrows and eyelashes grow super fast, all you need is a clean mascara wand and some pure castor oil. So just pour some castor oil onto the mascara wand and gently brush onto your lashes and eyebrows, starting from root to tip. Castor oil contains vitamins, protein, fatty acids and antioxidants that nourishes the hair follicles and help boost the growth of eyebrows and eyelashes. Because of its smooth and mild texture, it easily absorbs into the hair shaft and locks in nutrients. So repeat this procedure once daily before bedtime and in a week you will see a dramatic improvement. This castor oil mask helps you get rid of stubborn dark spots including age spots and brown spots. Simply combine 2 teaspoons of castor oil with 2 drops of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of water. Mix it really well. Before you apply this, do a patch test to the inside of your wrist because apple cider vinegar can cause a bit skin irritation, especially those with sensitive skin. So apply onto the affected areas and let it sit for 5 minutes. So after you have done with it, just wash off with cool water and massage some vitamin E oil. So do this every alternate days for a week to get rid of it completely. Castor oil is one of the safest and yet cost-effective methods to get rid of moles and skin tags. So simply take a bowl and add 1 small teaspoon of castor oil. Then add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a great antibacterial and antiseptic agent that helps fight skin tags. Mix it well and with the help of a cotton swab, apply on the affected area. Castor oil helps eliminating the accumulation of pathogens on the body. Apply this paste twice or thrice in a day for up to 2 weeks to get rid of moles and skin tags completely. Now I'll show you how to use castor oil to remove under eye bags and puffiness. For this, combine 1 teaspoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix it well to get a serum-like consistency. Apply a layer of this to the area around your eyes and massage gently in a circular motion for a few minutes. Do this before going to bed and wake up to bright, clear and gorgeous eyes. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil reduces swelling and redness of the eyes and rose water refreshes and fights dark circles. Castor oil is one of the oldest known wrinkles treatments. Castor oil works by retaining the lost moisture and making the skin supple, plump and youthful. Prepare the anti-aging mask. Combine 1 teaspoon of castor oil with half teaspoon of honey. Mix it thoroughly and with the help of a brush, apply this on your face and neck. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes in an upward circular motion and rinse off with lukewarm water. Repeat this procedure thrice in a week to remove fine lines, age lines and crow's feet. So these were the 5 amazing life-changing beauty hacks with castor oil. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more such beauty hacks, then leave a comment below and also give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.